Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Anand Chaturvedi, psychiatrist, clinical researcher, and member of several pharmaceutical companies' Speakers Bureau. And if you're a medical professional looking to diversify your income, gain recognition, and open new doors in your career, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can turn promotional speaking into a full-time income stream, even if you've never spoken on stage before. Stick around to the end because I'm also going to share 5 most lucrative speaker opportunities in 2025 and how to get invited to them. So let's get started. So promotional speaking or pharmaceutical speaker engagement is when you have a licensed healthcare provider who is paid to speak about a company's product, usually to educate peers in the medical field. Now, it's important to note it's not sales and it's not marketing. It's a peer-to-peer scientific education grounded in integrity, clinical insight, and practical relevance. These talks are often delivered over dinners, webinars, lunch and learns, or at medical conferences. And yes, you are compensated for your time and expertise. And the best part, you're paid to share knowledge you already use in clinical practice. And your perspective helps colleagues make better informed decisions. You don't have to be a celebrity physician or a tenured professor. Pharmaceutical companies are looking for board-certified MDs, DOs, nurse practitioners, and physician assistants, clinicians actively treating patients, providers with good communication skills, and above all, those who practice evidence-based medicine. So if you're passionate about clinical education and you're comfortable explaining medical concepts, you can absolutely become a promotional speaker. Now, whether you're in private practice, group practice, or hospital-based care, this can work for you. So let's talk about real numbers. Typical speaker fees range as follows. These are just approximations. Dinner presentations can range anywhere from $1,500 to $3,000 per event. Webinars or virtual sessions from $1,000 to $2,000, and advisory boards anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000. National conference speaking, usually $5,000 to $10,000 plus. Now, physicians doing 2 to 4 talks per month can bring in an extra $40,000 to $100,000 a year. Now, for some, this becomes a primary income stream, especially when it's paired with consulting or advisory roles. It's flexible, it's scalable, and it's respected. Now, one thing to note is these figures are just approximations. Everything depends on the individual company and the doctor contracted, and that's something that you would just have to talk to the company about, and they would tell you once the contracting and the negotiation process begins. So how do you begin? I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step roadmap. Step 1, you build your bio, include your clinical background, board certifications, areas of expertise, and any public speaking or teaching experience. You want your CV to contain all of this. Keep it concise and professional. Step 2, identify companies you align with. Focus on companies whose products you believe in, you prescribe. You must be comfortable and ethically aligned with what you're going to present. Now, step 3, you connect with MSLs, medical science liaisons, and these folks are scientific liaisons between the company and the medical community. You reach out, you can contact them on LinkedIn, social media, conferences, through professional referrals or office visits. Step 4, complete their training. So once you're selected to speak, you're going to receive a structured training either online or on-site in person. You may have to travel, and they're going to go through a couple different things on how to conduct presentations, how to comply legally with FDA guidelines, and how to address potential issues during presentations, like if somebody asks you an off-label question. Step 5 is that you deliver and you grow. Start with small talks, build your reputation, deliver value. Word spreads quickly in the speaker community, and one opportunity oftentimes will lead to more, or I can personally vouch for this. There are some common myths that we need to bust first. Number 1 myth is only big name doctors get speaking gigs. That is false. Community-based clinicians are highly valued for their relatability and practical insight. Number 2 is just marketing. Actually, these are very structured scientific discussions focused on peer education. They're regulated and reviewed for compliance. And another myth is I don't have time. Wrong. Most engagements are 60 to 90 minutes long, and you have control over your availability. Speaking allows you to educate others, grow your professional network, and enhance your clinical profile without sacrificing your current practice. Promotional speaking is more than just an income stream. It enhances your professional reputation. It builds your confidence as a communicator. It opens doors to leadership roles, national boards, consulting opportunities. So if you're feeling burned out in day-to-day clinical medicine, it provides a refreshing and intellectually stimulating way to contribute to the field on your own terms. So you become a teacher, a guide, and a voice of evidence in an ever-changing medical landscape. If you found this video valuable and you want more content like this, follow me here on YouTube. I post new videos every week to help medical professionals like you expand your income, your influence, and your options beyond the exam room. Don't forget to like this video and drop a comment below if you've ever considered becoming a speaker or if you're already on that path.